Hello students, I am teacher Ljubica. I am an English teacher in Mirčacev Primary School. Today we are going to talk about buildings and I have a few interesting pictures for you to see. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, so this is the first one. We live in a house. Can you guess what this is? Yes, it's a school. When we want to read a book and we don't have it at home, we usually go to get it from the library. Can you guess what this is? Yes, you are right. It's a hospital. When we want to eat out, then we go to a restaurant. And when we need money, we go to the bank. Sometimes we want to watch a movie out and then we go to the cinema. If we want to buy music equipment, then we go to the music shop. When there is a fire, people call the fire station. Police officers work at the police station. And we receive our mail at the post office. Okay, now let's check out the word list and go through the words one more time. House, school, library, hospital, restaurant, bank, cinema, music shop, fire station, police station, post office. Now maybe you want to pause the video and copy the words in your notebooks. Okay, after you have copied the words in your notebooks, I have a homework activity for you. За оваа задача за домашна работа ќе ви бидат потребни следните материјали. Хамер, молив и боечки, а дополнително, доколку се снајдете, убаво би било да најдете сликички од згради, ножички и лепак. Што треба да направиме? Треба да ги нацртате најважните згради од вашата населба на хамерот и да ги именувате на англиски јазик. А доколку се снајдете и пронајдете сликички од згради, залепете ги и потоа именувајте ги. Се надевам дека оваа активност ќе ви биде забавна. Have fun and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye!